Now definition for vector product or a vector cross product. Now we are in this figure, we are having vectors A and vector B and a unit vector n. Now let vector A and vector B be two non-zero non-parallel let vector A and vector B be two non-zero non-parallel vectors and theta be the angle between them such that now value of theta, it should be in between 0 and pi. Is it okay? Now the vector product now the vector products of vector A and vector B. Now the vector product of vector A and vector B is denoted by vector A cross vector B, is denoted by vector A cross vector B read as vector A cross vector B. Now we will be pronouncing it like this. It is not AXB, it is vector A cross vector B. Okay. So now the vector product of vectors vector A and vector B is denoted by A cross B and is defined as vector A cross vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, sin theta with n as a unit vector, or vector A cross vector B is equal to vector A vector B sin theta with n as a unit vector. Now when n is a unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B, I have already mentioned here vector n is on the top of it. Okay. So when n is a unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and perpendicular to both vector A, okay, we can just write a nice statement: vector A, vector B and unit vector n. Okay. Vector A, vector unit vector A forms a right-handed triad of vectors. We can use like this, okay, where n is a unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Vector A, vector B and unit vector n form a right-handed triad of vectors. So this is all about a definition. Now in the scalar dot product, what we did, vector A dot vector B, it was equal to magnitude of A magnitude of B with cos theta. Now here it is magnitude of A magnitude of B sin theta with unit vector n. Okay, so this is what about the definition.